I'm in the Excel at the moment. We're doing something a little bit different today. I'm not headed to the racetrack. I'm headed to my mate's place. Off to do some work on the Excel. Got some bits and pieces in the boot. The best part about having a hatchback for a race car, you can put all your stuff in the back. I've pulled over on the side of the road because I'm not sure. I don't know which one of these is Wesley's place, so I'm going to have to look it up on the old googly maps. Maybe Dolores can help me find out where to go. Who's that? I just got a message. I'll read that later. Right, let's see if we can find Wesley's place. I'm at Motec Mechanical, there we go, in Bunbury, and Dad's joined me too. He has bought himself a track car, a little Mazda MX-5, and before we get started I'm about to go take it for a drive. And sports mode paddle shift, I just pull that across.
Yep. And so you got ups on both sides and downs at the top. That's a little bit different to normal paddle shifts.
Oh right, it is, yeah. So up on either side and push thumbs down.
Yeah, push thumb, yeah.
Yeah, that is different. Oh, he got out of the way. He doesn't know where he's going. Winds up pretty good. Awesome! This is going to be a great bloody car. I've never driven a car with a paddle shift quite like it.
No, I didn't get it right when I first drove it.
Let's try this same video for the second time. I'm in the Excel passenger seat with Wesley. He's taking it for a spin around the block for me. Find out what happens to my steering wheel every time you put the foot on the brakes. So there it is.
So it's coming through the steering wheel?
Yeah, we think the rotors are done, so I've picked a set of them up, fortunately. Thanks to Brent from Perth Brake Parts. While we're at the workshop today, we'll swap those suckers out.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
lunchtime and we're having just a quick snack here at Motec Mechanical with Wesley and the lads. So Wesley's got the workshop press, which I don't have, so we'll press out the wheel bearings, new wheel bearings, new rotors, reverse the process so that I can drive home. Right tool for the job, that's all it takes.
That's showing a bit of weight instead of
Dull centre and a bit of a lip on it.
Yep. So we'd rather change the bearings one time.
Yeah.
Stop now.
It's getting tight.
Has to be tight.
That's easy. And that's
There's several workers here today.
Wait.
Is there only one?
one bus. Shopping list of tools. These. Two of these.
Looking for a good recop.
I'll have to do that in slow motion. Ready, slow motion replay. I feel like give me a version of all this.
Get grease on your shirt. Aaron unwrapping his new rotor.
Wesley's been very generous in lending me his workshop, his tools, his expertise, and even providing a set of wheel bearings, which Dad will fix you up for later.
I thought you were fixing me up for the rotors and pads.
Oh yeah, that too.
Breathing the seal. How many?
Is that enough Oogadooly?
One more akadaka. Yep, there you go.
Until the hole lines up.
If the hole doesn't line up, then you can give it another akadaka.
Go on, Wesley. We want to see you doing it.
I realise I've used quite a bit of pad now that I'm pushing these in. That does look good, doesn't it?
You going to test them?
Yeah, I think so. Handy tool to have when you're building your Hyundai Excel brakes is a Wesley! Sorry, I did just call it a cool Wesley.
That's fine. I've been called worse.